All right, guys. So this is my third time recording this video, so hopefully this works. But I'm gonna be doing a full semi-furnished apartment tour. So I did a little bit of a tour when I first did a move-in, but never anything to like slow down. So we're gonna do a little bit of a slower little tour today. So I don't have everything furnished, but I'm gonna take you through what I got, okay? All right, so let's get started. All right, so starting from the door. All right, so starting from my entrance, I have these wonderful stairs here. And then please don't judge me with all these boxes. Obviously, we're still moving stuff. So this is the area which we can either put like a dining table here or we can put bar stools. I haven't really decided. I have some cute little decorations. This was from Pretty Little Thing. These both actually were from Pretty Little Thing. And this is a like a vase for plants, a pot. So it's cute. So here's a view of the living room. I got these mats from Walmart. I got this mirror from TJ Maxx like 4 years ago. So this is actually an old mirror. So I'm gonna get a new one that is like a lot wider. So here first we have the coffee table. So this coffee table is actually from Walmart and it actually has LED lights underneath. You need to go ahead and hide those wires, but you basically like hook it up yourself and DIY it. So then we got some cute little coffee table, decorations here. We got some candles. I have this lamp. It's a diffuser. I have some books also from Pretty Little Thing, and I don't know where to put these for right now, so they're kind of just sitting here. I got this from Wayfair, I think, and I got this from Pretty Little Thing as well. So this is really cute. There's a lot of space in here, so I think I just have like games and such. Some games and whatever. So here's my TV. I was lucky enough to have it mounted as soon as I was moving in, which you guys saw in the first vlog, which I hope you watched. And then we're gonna head upstairs to the loft area. So this is my neon sign that I got from Etsy. I'm gonna tag the person who made it. This is amazing. It lights up damn near the entire apartment. So I really love that. I definitely recommend it. So this is our loft area, and I do have a lot of space here. As you can see, I have another closet here, which is actually huge. It's huge. There's so much space in here. I don't even think I'm gonna use that much, but this is a loft area. There's so much, things that we could do up here. But I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, so stay tuned for that. For our kitchen, so here's like a quick overview of the kitchen. It's not anything fancy. It's very, basic. Some people, I don't know if you would call this like a more upgraded kitchen. I don't really think so, but yeah, I would say it's pretty basic. I got some, automatic dispensers. I didn't get a dish rack. I got this thing. I kind of like it a lot better. Yeah, I feel like it dries everything faster. And then on top of that too, it just doesn't take up as much space, and I could easily move it if I want to. So, and I got some stuff, some goodies here. I got this little towel stand from Bed Bath & Beyond before they closed. This was just a part of like my welcome package. And then I have my kettle here. So yeah, just basic stuff. Like, I think this kitchen has a lot of space. I'm keeping my, my plates here for now, my bowls. I don't have anything to organize them yet, but once I do, I'm gonna like put everything together. But yeah, that's some of my stuff. And then I got this cute knife set from Walmart. So it has like basically all your goodies in here. And then I got some stuff as well just for cooking. And this came with like my pot set, which I gotta show you guys. So it's really cute. My pot set as well is adorable. I guess this also will help to give you just like a visual of how much space is in here. Let me move this. So there's a lot of space underneath here. As you can see, my little pots, which I thought were big, don't even take up space. This pot set is gorgeous, and it was from Walmart, and so it comes with all these pieces that you see here. And yeah, I love it. Definitely be cooking on these and showing you guys some stuff. As you can see, there's a lot of space. So I have all of this space, and then here too I have cleaning supplies. So I have, you know, my trash bags, my soaps, everything that I kind of need. But there's so much cabinet area, so that's pretty good. Now let's talk about the white fridge. So please do not come for my white fridge. I know that this white fridge thing has been the talk of apartment century with upgrade appliances. My apartment unfortunately has a white fridge, but honestly guys, I don't see an issue with it. I'll be real. It's a nice box. That's all I need to keep my food cold. But no, seriously. Yeah, I guess this is one of the apartments that don't have like an upgraded fridge or whatever. I don't mind it because obviously the apartment is beautiful. So yeah. And then we have our laundry room here, so I'll show you what that looks like too. So we have a rack here, and I've just been using it to put my stuff on. This is supposed to be on the wall because it's supposed to be holding up the brooms over there. I have another rack over here, so there's like nothing but space in here too, so you can always put your stuff there, and just have space for, you know, like whatever you need. So that's an overview of my little kitchen here. So again, cabinet space for days. Then over here we have another closet, and I live in New York, so right now I just have my fall stuff in here. So all of my jackets and my winter coats are in here. I have my towels, my boyfriend's towels, and then I also have paper towels, tissues, some bedding stuff, and this pet vacuum. Guys, get yourself a pet vacuum. So I don't know if you've noticed, the majority of my floor is carpet, so I wanted something that would clean both. So I have the broom, but then I also have this bad boy. And then you put water in here with some solution, so it's like you're vacuuming, but it also in a weird way like mops and like disinfects. So I really love this thing here. Alrighty, now on to the bathroom. So here, yeah, I got this 3-piece mat from Wayfair, and these are my curtains. So there's a lot of space in here too. I got a little like rack there because at first I had bought that, and then I was like, I don't like it, and I found that other marble one and I bought that instead. So I put this little rack in the bathroom, but it shouldn't be on top of the toilet. It should be over there. So whatever. But so then I have the shower curtain, this cute liner. It's pink on pink. But again, a lot of space just, you know, in the bathroom. I also have these, you know, thingies here too. Go easy on me with this stuff, guys. Half of my stuff is not here right now. So this is pretty empty, but yeah, this is like universal, so you can use it here. The other one slides, this doesn't. This is more stationary because you can't pull this part out, but you have a lot of space. I put like my hot tools in this little thing that they gave me on the side, so pretty great use of the space. Ladies, I would recommend if you're ever like in an apartment, always put like a LED light if you like do makeup, because it can get pretty dark, especially for my brown skin girlies. You know, I gotta contour, right? I gotta see what light hits what. So make sure you get like a little LED strip. I'm thinking about doing that because I can't see, and doing my makeup from this far away and not having my glasses on, a mess. Lastly, we have our bedroom. So I don't have a lamp in here, and I'm not going to buy one because I am going to bring my makeup desk over here with my huge mirror and LED lamp on it, as well as a TV. And the reason why I'm doing that is because my LED light is so bright that it brightens up my entire room, so you do not need a lamp. I have not actually had a lamp in my bedroom since I was younger because of my like vanity on my makeup mirrors. So I use that as like my main light. So, and as you can see too, this is also another reason why I don't really keep lights too much. So yeah, so we'll start off with my closet actually. So my closet right now, I am actually living in 2 spaces, so please ignore the holes of missing shoes. There's a lot happening, but this is the closet for right now, which is obviously not organized, but you know, we have some like purses over here, and everything like that. So I would say it's a pretty decent, you know, use of the space. So right now, like I just have like my regular stuff just hung up. These are like jeans and sweats, and then I have hoodies, I have shoe boxes. I have shoe boxes that I actually have to put together from Wayfair. So they're supposed to be like display boxes. I have some like, you know, work, you know, clothes here and everything like that, but we're working on our clothes right now. I have this dresser from IKEA, and as you can see, I'm currently building it. So that's it. I got my tools and everything for it, which I did not need. I almost broke it. So this is basically it. But yeah, so I have my 2 drawers there that I gotta do. But this right here is my nightstand, and I got this from, I'm not sure where I got this from. I think I got this from Wayfair as well. So it has an LED light like the nightstand. It almost looks identical because it is white. This is the light that was also outside. I have 2 of these, so you can actually just see it diffusing right now. I got this guy at Etsy, and then here is another whatchamacallit trash can. I also have this in the bathroom, so these are pretty cool. My bedding is all black. I'm running out of time in this video, so bear with me. I'm trying to be as fast as I can. My bedding is all black. I'll probably show a picture of it. That's probably why you can't see it at all. But it's just really simple, really cute. I got this headboard from Wayfair, so I'll also link that down below. Here's a closer look so you can see it. Again, pretty simple and basic. So that's basically it. I'm trying to hurry up because my camera has just been getting on my nerves today, but that is basically it. Also guys, I forgot to actually show you, but this is the outside. Again, I'm not sure how much you're gonna be able to see because it is nighttime, but this is my balcony. That is the apartment. That is all of the goodies here. So I hope I got everything in it and all of this stuff. Let me know if you have any questions about where anything comes from. I'm gonna do a further in-depth view of product by product. But yeah, until that comes, girl, enjoy this, please. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.